What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're talking about something that was around before I was born. So guys, today we're talking about the floppy disk. Yes, this thing was around before I was born. That shows how old I am, which is not actually that old. And that's why the save icons also look like this as well, because you would be saving onto the hard drive, which the floppy disk was the hard drive, which is why it looks like the save icon. Nowadays you've got stuff like USBs, you've got hard drives, you've got SSDs, you've got many different types of storage. You've even got the micro SD card, which is a very smaller version of this. So what I'm recording onto now is a SD card. So there are many different varieties now. Majority, in my knowledge, these were used on IBM computers. IBM's still around. They use enterprise sort of stuff now. They also provide tills for different companies. So they are still around, but they're just not a consumer brand, exactly, as much as they used to be for the personal computer, where PC comes from. Personally, never actually seen a floppy disk before. And it got me thinking, how would a floppy disk hold up to today's standards? The capacity of data that people hold in their own houses on just one computer. So if you've got an idea of how I could possibly compare one of these to a WD or Seagate hard drive, or even an SSD, then do let me know in the comments, and I'll try and compare a floppy disk from, I don't know when, a floppy disk to a hard drive or an SSD of modern standards. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. Do stay safe guys, and into the next one.